Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel and happy 2025. This is my first video of the year and I'm going to be starting it off with a how-to video. So today's video I'm going to show you guys step by step how to replace your battery in your Camaro ZL1. Of course, start by popping your trunk. Alright, I got lots of stuff in here, so I need to figure out how I'm going to organize all this and get it out of the way. First things first, going to start by removing all of the trim you need to access the battery. And usually batteries are in the front of the car, but for the Camaros, they're in the back. No, you can go through, you're good. All right, so first step to this is removing all of the trim because as you guys can see, the battery is back here. This has been folded so much that I just don't care at this point. But if you guys want to do it the right way, take this out, then take all of this out, and there's some clips in here. I'm missing the clips completely just because this car has been torn apart so freaking much. So we're going to take this off and then I will access the battery. To get this plastic piece off, these just screw off, and there's 4 of them. I think I'm going to start just by taking these 2 off. All right, so lifting this up, and then now once all of those are unscrewed, this should come off. Ow! All right, so that pops off. This comes out. This back down. This allows you to access all the way over here. That way this folds out a little more. You don't have to take it out. Mine's already folded, like I said, so I don't really care about saving that at this point. So now you can fold this back and access the whole battery. To weigh this down over here, there we go. All right, so to start removing the battery itself, there is a bracket, and then I'm gonna remove the negative and positive terminals. You guys are gonna need a 13mm and 10mm socket. All right, now you guys can see this is my battery. So first I'm going to remove the negative terminal first, and then the positive, and this one has a little bit of a bracket situation going on. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. This is very difficult to do with the camera in the way, so I moved it really quickly. Okay, I think I got it. All right, okay, now get that out of the way. All right, next thing I'm doing is taking off this vent tube, which just unplugs over there, and that vent tube off. Next thing you guys are gonna need is a 13mm socket. This is the only one I could find. And we're gonna get the bracket off of the battery. Might get yelled at, but I switched to an electric ratchet because I just wanna get this done and it's faster. Bam. Bamski. See how fast that is? All right, so bracket is out, just 2 13mm, and then you can just leave them in there so you don't lose them. Now, with everything out of the way, the battery can come out, and I know it's gonna be heavy for me to do, but we're gonna attempt to do it myself. Oh my God. I don't wanna break something. There's no way. I can't. All right. I tried, but it's just too heavy. All right, guys. I tried to get the battery out myself, and I'm just simply not strong enough. So I'm gonna go find someone that can. It's too heavy. I can't do it by myself.
You think I can get it out?
John Drew.
Can you? Everything's undone. The battery just needs to be pulled out without smashing everything.
Literally every
Fingers.
Thank you very much. All right, guys, so this is a new battery. As you can see, it is the wrong one. AutoZone sent the wrong one. So now I'm gonna have to wait until the right one comes, and then I'll finish with the install. Ready to install the battery. Hey everyone, meet Terry. He's gonna be installing the battery today for me. Not installing, but just putting it in the car because I can't. You want me to hold this back for you?
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, that's good. Positive, correct side. That's correct. Thank you. I got it from here, sir. You guys may have seen Terry in a few of my videos. So now you know that's Terry. He's an interesting fella. Now what we're gonna do is reinstall it backwards the way that you took it out. All right, so first gonna put the bracket back on. Gonna put the bracket back in here. As you guys can see, bracket is back on with the 13s. Now reinstalling the vent tube. So this clicks right on the bracket and it plugs in right there. Now reinstalling the positive terminal. Now connect the negative terminal. All right, battery is installed. Negative terminal tightened down to the 10 mil. Now just put everything back together. Put this plastic piece back in here. And then this net was on mine. I personally don't care to save it, so that's just gonna go in the garbage. And then at some point, I need to organize my trunk. And then this piece, I don't even remember where this goes. I think it goes this way. My stuff's all bent up, so nothing looks normal anymore. All right, everyone, that about wraps up the battery install. Now I'm gonna start up the car and see if it starts. Alright guys, so that is it for today's how-to video. I hope that helped you guys out if you needed some help on it or just want to learn something new. And I'm really sorry if I was like sniffling. I feel like I'm getting sick right now. I can barely breathe. I do not feel the best. But we got her done. New battery, car's good to go, runs amazing, and I'm super happy with it. Let me know what video you guys want to see me do next. Bye!